Humanity has always dreamed bigger, and today China is building the boldest projects ever imagined. From the tallest towers to floating cities, China is rewriting what's possible, turning imagination into reality. In 2015, China stunned the world with Mini Sky City, a 57-story skyscraper built in just 19 days. Using modular, prefabricated sections stacked like giant Lego blocks, it defied everything we thought we knew about construction. This project foreshadowed an even bolder plan, a 220-story tower that would more than quadruple its height. Innovation was bending the rules of time. High in the mountains, where temperatures drop to minus 30 degrees, the Kayla Power Station combines hydro and solar power to generate over 1 gigawatt of clean energy. Spread across 170 million square feet, this hybrid plant demonstrates that innovation can conquer even the harshest landscapes. China is redefining construction with 3D printing. The AICT 3D printed park covers 60,000 square feet and was completed in just 2.5 months, featuring smooth, wave-like futuristic designs. In Shanghai, engineers used 3D printing to build an 86-foot pedestrian bridge, the largest in the world, in just 450 hours. Looking forward, the Yanggu 3D printed dam on the Tibetan Plateau will use gigantic robotic printers and AI-operated machines to construct a 590-foot dam faster and safer than ever before. When a historic building stood in the path of development, engineers moved the 8,270-ton Hawaii Shikuman complex using robotic hydraulic jacks, preserving history while building underground facilities beneath it. Meanwhile, the Jianyang Canyon Bridge, rising 2,000 feet above the valley floor, becomes the highest bridge on Earth, constructed with a massive cable crane system and precision guided by IoT and satellite navigation. For centuries, humanity has built on land. As land becomes scarce and populations grow, we are now looking to the oceans for salvation. But China is looking even further, toward the seas and the skies above. China's architects are designing floating cities, entire ecosystems powered by solar energy and guided by artificial intelligence. These self-sustaining structures recycle water, grow their own food, and adapt to changing climates, not just surviving the sea, but thriving on it. And as China explores the oceans below, engineers are also dreaming upward. Vertical cities that pierce the clouds, powered by clean energy and AI-driven design. From floating platforms to sky cities, these visions merge architecture, artificial intelligence, and environmental innovation. Proof that technology and imagination can rise together. China's architectural feats blend art and engineering. The Fosan Foundation Cultural Center in Shanghai features giant kinetic curtains that move subtly to create a living sculpture of light and shadow. The Anji Culture and Art Center has a floating roof inspired by bamboo leaves with a sustainable rainwater recycling system. And the Phoenix Towers, rising 3,300 feet on an artificial island, combine energy generation, solar panels, and the world's highest sky gardens, merging sustainability with sheer ambition. China is building smarter cities. Sponge City landscaping integrates rain gardens, wetlands, green roofs, and sunken parks to absorb rainwater, reduce floods, and create biodiverse urban habitats. The Dalian Jinzhuan Airport, constructed on an artificial island, will be the largest offshore airport in the world, showcasing China's ability to push the boundaries of infrastructure, from the mountains to the seas, and now to the skies. China's vision for the future is reshaping our world. Every structure tells a story of innovation, ambition, and human imagination. As the boundaries of engineering continue to expand, one thing is clear. The future isn't waiting. It's being built right now. If you enjoyed this journey through innovation and world technology, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more stories about the future that's already unfolding.